Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel Nami's Classroom. Today we are going to see about logic gates using circuit-based simulator. In my last video, I have already explained to you about different logic gates, its pin diagram, its Boolean expression, and its logic diagram also. So today we are going to verify the truth table of each and every logic gate by using a circuit-based simulator. At first, we will see about one of the logic gate, which is AND gate. So this diagram is it's very familiar for us. So today we are going to verify this truth table of AND gate. Here you can see that when two inputs are 1, when A and B are 1, you will be getting the output as 1, and in all other cases the output is going to be 0. So we'll just go with the simulation software now. So you can go to Google, you can just type circuit verse, and now you can see there are different links available. So go with the first link, circuit-verse online digital logic circuit simulator. So in that you will be getting a new web page where you will be having an icon called launch simulator. You can click on launch simulator, and here you can see that there are different elements available: input, output, gates, decoders, sequential elements, annotations, and miscellaneous elements. So first we'll go with the different gates. You can see that there are 7 gates: AND gate, OR gate, NOT, XOR, NAND, NOR, and XNOR gates. First we'll go with AND gate. Click on the AND gate and it will be displayed over here. You can just press it and it will be stick on the layout. And now we need 2 inputs, so you can take 2 inputs. One, I am taking it over here, and another input also I'm clicking it here and I'm dragging it and I'm just pasting it here. And I need one output. So first I'll be taking this as the output, then after that I'll show you with the LED also. So you can just click it and you can just take it over here and you can place it here. Just click it and it will be pasted over there. Now we are going to connect the inputs and the outputs to the logic gate. So first place the mouse button over here and just drag it and drag it to the AND gate. It will be getting pasted there. I'll just take the gate once again. It has been disappeared, so I'll just take the gate once again. So I'm just taking the wire from the input and I'm just dragging it over here. Now I'm just taking the wire from here and I'm keeping it over here, and then I'm extending it over here. It's all these wire connections is being done by dragging the mouse button. And now I'm taking the output. Yes, now the connection is it's a small extension over here so that you can delete. Now you can see that the circuit is complete, and you know that in case of AND gate we have 4 cases: 0 0 as input, 0 1 as input, 1 0 as input, and 1 1 as input. So at first we are just checking the input 0 0. So when it is 0 0, the output is going to be 0. When it is 0 1, the output is going to be 0. And you can keep it as, just click it over here and it will be 1 now. And this you can keep it as 0 1 0, the output is going to be 0. And now 1 and 1. So 1 1, the output is 1. So in only one case you are getting the output as 1. That is when both the A and B are 1. So that is what we have seen here in the that is what we have seen here in the logic diagram on the truth table, that when you are having 1 and 1 as the input, you are getting 1 as the output. So we will see the same thing with the help of an LED now. So this I have given the input and output as just the as the notations. Now I am just taking out this one and I'm giving the output as an LED. So whenever you are having 1 and 1, actually your LED should glow because it is where the output is equal to 1. Whenever the output is equal to 1, the LED should glow, and whenever the output is equal to 0, the LED should be off. So now I'm just keeping the input as 0 0, and I'm just extending the line from here to the LED. So it's connected now. So 0 0, the LED is not glowing, that means that the output is 0. When it is 0 1, you can see the LED is not blinking, so the output is 0. When it is 1 0, you can see that the LED is not glowing, and when it is 1 1, you can see the LED is glowing. So that means when the input of the AND gate is 1 1, the output will be equal to 1 and the LED will glow. Now we will go with one more gate. I'll take the NOT gate now. So we know that in case of NOT gate, we'll be having only one input and only one output. So input I'm taking from here. I'm just taking the input over here, and I'm taking the output. You can take this notation as the output, or you can take LED as the output. I'm just taking LED as the output. So here I'm just going to draw the lines, or I'm just connecting the wires from the input to the gate and from the output of the gate to the LED. So here you can see that when 1 is the input, 0 will be the output, so the LED will not glow, and when 0 is the input, the output is going to be 1, so the LED will glow. So this is how the simulation of each and every logic gates can be carried out in CircuitVerse. I have given you only two simulations, and NOT gate. So you can go through these gates and you can give the wiring, or you can give the connections like this, giving the inputs and outputs. Outputs can be LED or it can be notation also. So for any gates you will be able to implement this, and this is all about the CircuitVerse simulation. You can try for other gates also in the same way. In the next video, I'll be going to implement logic gates using multi-sim live simulation tool. Continue watching the channel. This is Nami's Classroom. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you and have a very nice day.